This is Oracle SQL Part 4 and myself Shaji Balakrishnan. So far we understood the select statement and how to use it. But this is the continuation of the select statement. We understood that select must be followed with a star or the column names. Then the from clause, then the from and the table name. Today we are introducing another clause, that is order by, which is used for sorting the columns. Let's see how. Okay, we are going to take the help of the EMP table once again. So I'll say select star from EMP semicolon. Don't forget to put the semicolon. Okay, press enter. Now here you can see EMP number, ename, job, manager, all those columns as usual. But what I want is that I want the job column to be in ascending order, that is alphabetical order from A to Z. First analyst, okay, then comes your clerk and so on. It means I mean to put it in alphabetical order or sort it in alphabetical order. So before we start, we'll take some of the columns from here and we'll sort it. Say select EMP number, comma, job column, comma, ename column, comma, DEPT, DEPTNO, department number, from EMP, okay, semicolon, enter. So these are the columns we required, okay, and we are going to play around with these particular columns. Now here EMP number, job, ename and department number. So department number is not sorted here, as you can see, 10, then 30, then 10, then 20, then 30 here. So it is all mixed up. Now here if you say ename, again it is not in alphabetical. If you go for job, again it is not. First thing I want to do is that I want the job in the alphabetical order. So let's sort EMP table in the job column. So the same command again. So I remove the semicolon from here and I'm going to add a new clause, that is ORDER, order by. I want to order some columns. I want to arrange some columns in particular order. Okay, say the job column. The job column, order by job, ascending order, ASC. The direction is ascending order. Okay, the job column will be sorted but in the ascending order, semicolon, and press enter. So you can see here the job column is ordered or sorted in ascending order. First A, then C, then M, then P, then salesman, okay, S, O1. Okay, now let's sort the department number. Let's see that. So I'll just modify it. I'll say instead of job, I'll change it to department, DEPTNO, okay, and semicolon. Now this time I'm not giving ASC, the ascending order. As you can see, in job we have already given ASC, right? ASC stands for ascending order. But if you don't give ascending order, still that we must understand that if the clause, if the sentence or the word as ASC is not given, you have to sort it by ascending order. That's a default command here. So order by department number, it will arrange it in the direction is not given. That means it knows how to how in which order it has to present, and that is alphabetical order or ascending order. Okay, now let's see that. So you can see the department number is arranged in ascending order, that is 10, then 20s, then 30s, okay, so on. Okay, now let's arrange the EMP ename column, ename semicolon, and press enter. Let's see what happens. So the ename column is arranged in alphabetical order. See A, then B, then C, right? Correct. Now if I want to arrange any column in descending order, see the job column, okay, I want it in descending order, you have to just add a word DESC, which stands descending, okay, and semicolon, enter. So now you can see the job, then the sales, first the salesman, then the president, then the managers, then the clerk, then the analyst. So it is in Z to A format, okay. So that is in the descending order. So that is the descending order. Now let's say department number DEPT and say DSC. I want in descending order, right? Semicolon, press enter. Sorry, the spelling mistake, DPTNO. Okay, that's right. Now you can see first 30s, then 20, then the tens. So now you understood how to sort a column so that it looks nice, and if you want any column you want to sort it, you have to add a clause called order by. Okay, after order by you have to put the column name and you have to say the direction. If you don't put the direction, it will take it as ascending order. Now suppose I want to sort both on job and name column, so what will we do? So I'm going to say order by. Okay, first order by the job column, then first you sort on job column, then you sort it on ename. That means first you'll sort on job column. Since we are not given the direction, it will take as ascending, and the ename also the same thing, will sort on ename, and then since we are not given the direction, it will understand which direction to sort. It will sort on ascending order. So first job, then ename, semicolon, enter. So you can see the job column is sorted, and the in job column it is again sorted on ename. So analyst, it is first shown the Ford, then the Scott, not the Scott and Ford, but it first shows you Ford and the Scott. If you say clerk, now these are all clerks, right? It will show you Adam first, that is starting with A, right? Adam, James, Miller, Smith, and all. If you say manager, say Blake, clerk, Jones. Salesman, you take again, it's in this job column is already sorted, in that you are sorting the E name, right? So in salesman is showing you A first, right? Then the Martin, then Turner, then Ward. Now this thing again, if I say this I want in descending order, that means the job, even the job column I want in descending, DSC. So job you want it in descending column, and the ename also you want it in descending order. So what to do? If you don't go DESC is not added, then you will take it as ascending order by default. Okay, so let's come to the end and say semicolon and press enter. So now you can see job column is sorted descending order. First the salesman, right? Then the president, then the manager, then clerk, then analyst. But in the salesman itself, it has sorted the E name in Z to A. See, Ward, Turner, Martin, then Allen. Okay, previously we have seen it first Allen, then Turner, then Martin, then Ward. But now it is Ward, Turner, Martin, and Allen. So this is in ascending order, sorry, descending order, and this is also in descending order. So manager we have say Jones, clerk, and Blake. Okay, and clerk we have Smith, then the Miller, then the James, then Adams. But I make a mistake. I want to change it. Job I want it in ascending order, and then ename you want in descending order, semicolon. So we can see here analyst, this is in ascending order, right? You can see it. Now in job has been in the ascending order, the ename is in descending order. Okay, so first showing Scott, then Ford. Say clerk is in ascending order, all those things are ascending order, but now in clerk the first name is Smith, then Miller, then James, then Adam. If you don't sort it, you would have put it in other way, that is first clerk will be Adam, right? Then it will show you James and so on. It's not, now it is in Z to A format, so it is saying Smith, Miller, James, Adams. Okay, in manager also Johns, then Clark, then Blake. Salesman is showing you Bart, Ward first, then the Turner, then Martin, then Allen. Correct. Now suppose you can also sort any column by numbers. For example, if you want to sort by department number, okay, so we'll do 1 2 3 4, the fourth column. So I'll say order by 4 semicolon. Since I am not given the direction here, that is ascending or descending order, it will by default sort in ascending order, semicolon, and enter. You can see, okay, it is sorted in ascending order. But if you want in descending order, then you have to say explicitly that you want it in descending order and semicolon. So it will be after from EMP table, then you see order by the fourth column, and it should be in descending order, semicolon. So now it is the descending order. You can see 30s, then 20s, then 10s. Okay, so you can order or sort a column in ascending order or descending order. You have to add a clause called order by, but this should be the last clause in the select statement. The select statement starts with select, then the column name. Okay, then if you don't give the column name, you have to take care of, you have to put star. Star indicates all the columns. Okay, then we have the from table, that's from which table, the from EMP table in this example. Then we have the order by some column. So order by should be the last clause in any SQL statement. Now there are many other clauses yet to come. You will be adding it one by one. Okay, but always remember, order by clause should be the last clause that you should add into it. Now suppose if you say select star instead of this, I'll remove all those things, right? Star from EMP. Okay, I can put this also, select star from EMP, then we have the semicolon, enter. So this is also showing the same thing, but you can say ed and change it, right? As you know it, I can say star from EMP. Now I'm going to add it order by which column. Now suppose you want the column job. Now this is the third column, 1 2 3, third column, so I'll say 3, third column in the list. Okay, third column order by job in this case, and you want ascending or descending. Now if you don't give it, it will be sorted in the ascending order. So I'll save it, say alt F4 and save, and say slash, enter. So the job is in ascending order, as you can see. I can also sort the date here, hire date. So let's see that. You'll say ed again, and I'll see the hire date column is 1 2 3 4 5, fifth column. Okay, so you can say either the column name, I can say hire date. Okay, capital letter, small letter, doesn't matter, as you know it. Okay, case sensitive, insensitive. Okay, then I'll save it, alt F4, okay, and say slash, enter. So you can say 17th December, right? Then 81, then 82, then 87. You can see this, right? Date itself. So date can be also sorted. I can, if I say ed and say I want the date columns to be sorted descending, so I'll say DESC, right, and save it, alt F4, save it, and say slash, enter. Now you can see the date column. Date column is arranged 87 first, right, then 82, then 81s, then 80s. Okay, correct. I can sort the salary column. Let's say ed again, the salary column, I can remove this sal put cell, and I don't give the direction which way it has to sort, whether it's capital, sorry, it has to sorted alphabetical order or not, numeric. Actually, it is numeric, ascending order or descending order. Since we are not giving it, so it will be in the ascending order. Okay, so alt F4, okay, and say slash enter. Is in the ascending order. You can see the salaries in the ascending order. Fine. So you understood how to use the order by clause. Order by clause is used to sort any columns, whether it's ascending or descending. Ascending is by default. Okay. This is the end of the session. Thank you for watching.